Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the American Express Platinum Card. This card is known for its premium travel and lifestyle benefits, designed for frequent travelers. You'll gain access to a vast network of airport lounges and enjoy elite status at various hotel chains. However, it's important to note the card comes with a substantial annual fee, typically exceeding $600, which is a key consideration for potential cardholders. One of the biggest draws of the Platinum Card is its impressive array of benefits. You can unlock over $500 in annual statement credits, covering everything from airline fees to digital entertainment. Imagine relaxing in exclusive Centurion lounges or Delta Sky clubs before your flight. Plus, you'll automatically receive gold status with Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors, enhancing your hotel stays. While the benefits are compelling, it's crucial to consider the downsides. The high annual fee means you must actively use the card's perks to make it worthwhile. Many of the valuable credits aren't automatic. They require enrollment and often apply to specific spending categories. Also, while great for flights, the points earning rate on everyday purchases might not be as competitive as other cards. So, is the American Express Platinum Card the right fit for you? It truly shines for frequent travelers who can fully utilize its luxury perks and extensive credits. If you travel often and value premium experiences, the benefits can easily outweigh the annual fee. Carefully assess your spending habits to ensure you'll maximize those valuable statement credits. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.